Hello everyone, it's Kay Michelle with Lady Dragonfly Designs. I'm so happy you could stop by my channel. And yeah, uh, we're still in the winter storm. I'm actually recording this on Monday. The sun came out, it's still 30 degrees. And if the sun was hitting it, the ice was melting, but where the sun wasn't, the ice wasn't going nowhere. I had to make the executive decision to not go into work today. It was just too, I don't like driving on ice. Been there, done that. Don't ever want to do it again. And I would only been to work for like 2 hours and then turn around and come back, and that risk is just too high for me today. So I called in, and so I'm here working on the bird journal. And Scott and Todd, being big kids that they are, bundled up and is going to go cruise around the neighborhood on a golf cart in 30-degree weather. They're funny men. So, get y'all stuff and let's just sit here and craft while it's cold outside. Everything's melting. So, okay. I have just been going back and forth from the front to the back, and she's getting big and she's beautiful. Oh, love it. Need to glue that down and keep catching that. Yeah, I had it all packed up because I was going to take it with me, and then now it's like, because I have in the past, faithful employee I am, or was, when I worked for the state way back in the day, walked out and slipped and busted my butt. And I swore that day, I was like, no. If I'm going to be walking on ice to get to my car, no, we ain't doing it. And my poor car still has ice on her. So, yeah, no. Not going to do it. So, but yeah, I fell and slipped my butt. And nope. I pulled out some journaling cards to see. There's Carolina Crabtree, her cute little bunny rabbits. I think we shall put one right there, and I think I'll put a tab. It's just, oh, yeah. This, I am not in my element, let me just say that. This coldness. There's a pair of scissors under here somewhere. Okay, guess we're going to use these because I don't know where the other ones are. So, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody is warm and safe. Yeah, if you don't have to get out, don't. And even if you do, just, make sure. Oh, I gotta tell you what they were doing at Sarah, my eldest daughter's apartment complex. Y'all ready for this? Okay, yeah, I was born and raised in Austin, Texas. My mother's family originates from Indiana. Okay, so there's snow up there. And my granddaddy taught me back in the day, when you have ice, the best thing to get rid of the ice is rock salt. I knew that since I was a wee little lassie. And that's cute. And so I knew, Austin, I know they got rock salt. They actually purchased, I think, a machine that puts rock salt out on the bridges and stuff way back in the day. And but Sarah tells me this morning, I called her, but of course both at home, no school today, so the kids are happy. I did not do a good job in cutting these things last night. And I just backed these on my sketch paper, just to, it's still flimsy, but it's got some. All right. Oh, we need to do something that, oh, aren't you pretty? And, but Sarah was telling me, oh, that could go sideways. I like it. That, and it wasn't even the maintenance department, it was the office staff. So we're talking the ladies in the office, okay? Are out in the parking lot, the apartment complex, out there with shovels, and we saw, we were FaceTiming, so she showed me, we saw a tire iron involved, and these women were beating the ice with the shovels and then trying to shovel the ice. And it was so loud, it woke up Sarah. So, and her and Jonathan had been under the weather and were feeling good. And she said, Mom, they woke me up. And I'm like, oh, I'm so sorry. Cute, cute, cute. That came out cute. And, but then she told me what they were doing. And I'm like, are you serious? What are these people thinking? Ooh, do I have a couple? We can do it like that. Cute. Perfect. I like that. And so she was showing me, and yeah. So they're tearing up the asphalt with the shovels and the tire iron. And I'm like, would somebody please yell salt, rock salt at this point? If they went out with a bottle of iodized salt, it would probably be better than what they're out there doing. But, yep, that's what they're doing at Sarah's apartment complex today. I can only help them so much, you know. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, like that. That's cute. I'll probably go around it and re-ink all the corners. Okay, that came out cute. I want this one, just to keep the browns. Oh, that is so upside down. Cute, I like that. Yeah, it's cold, so everything's like curling. Okay, there we go. And Air's up here in her bed. Daddy just gave everybody some duck treats, so him and Todd can make an escape. I love that. I'm gonna leave that for her to journal. And this, let's see. Oh, y'all like it. Okay. So, yep, I'm just sitting here, doing nothing really. Just crafting. While crazy people are doing crazy things out there in the world. So, let's see. Oh my gosh, I got to tell y'all, are y'all ready for this? Oh my gosh. Hazel Unka is a Canadian crafter, and she has a show once a week on, it's called Heart to Heart with Hazel, and I have been invited to be on her show. And so I was like, oh my goodness, I'm just like, wow. And so I am going to be on her show. I'm so excited. So I have no idea what we're going to talk about. I've got to watch. I've been meaning to watch. She had Brenda Clark on her show too. And I need to watch that. Because it's been so crazy here. And I'm still trying to get my bearings with the new schedule and the way the life is going right now. Okay. look at that. Of course we got glue all over that page. Of course we did. Wouldn't be me if I didn't get glue on the other page. So, okay, I'm gonna let that. I'm gonna look over here. Okay, that's cute. We could do another one of those. Oh, and he cute. I do like that. Yeah, these are journaling cards, but I have so many of them that, you know, at this point, I'm going to use them for whatever I want to. Right now, I need a tuck right there. So yeah, I'm just pulling from my stash and just doing as much as I can. Oh, those are those one we made. Those are cute. Oh, they will go. Oh, I don't know which one I like. I think it's going to be this one. That blue will pop out that blue. Or should cut it. All right, let's let it glue. Let's just do what we're going to do here. I've got another one. Let's see. Oh, you can hear the wind chimes outside. This paper bag. That's cute. I like that. I think I'm going to do some stamping, though. Okay, one more. My stamping box. My desk was so clean when I did my video. And by the time I got done with the last video, my desk is totally trashed. Go figure. I think I'm still going to use brown. Okay. I'm just going to do that. Okay, that's good. I'm happy with that. Oh, I was like, where's the piece I was going to put down? Yes, I like that, but I think I will. Cute. So yeah, that's what's going. Everybody's defrosting, and kids are happy they got a snow day. Sarah's happy because she's a teacher. She got a snow day too. And Jonathan was home too. I haven't talked to Amy. I texted them both last night to find out. Oh, that is cute right there. Heart, and then you pull it out and it's a bear. Okay, I might do some individual stampings of birds, I think. Let's see. I've got the cards that have been backed. That's kind of cute. It catches right there. That's cute. Okay. And this was white on white. I couldn't see. And I had my glasses on too last night, y'all. I'm just saying. That's just a little bit better. Okay. This dude has been floating around my desk. Okay. I think I'm gonna make him a pocket. And I should be finished with this pretty quickly and be able to give it to my new friend Marcy. Yeah, she's got so many birds in her house. It's amazing. I've never seen so many birds. All kinds of birds. Geese, you name it, she's got it. It's there. And the way they did their door frame is they have like a little shelf that's about that deep over all the door frames. So she has little knickknacks, cutest thing, knickknacks everywhere. So, will that fit? Nope. All right, we'll worry about it later. Let's let that dry. Let's see. Oh, one of these will fit there though. Cool, I like that. That's the wonderful thing about these journaling cards. They can be used for tucks, tags, just a base and dressing it up however you want to. Okay. Clean my glue. She's clogging. Okay. There, and I put a little picture of a bird, but it is accessible. That is my favorite bird picture. And I did make this a little pocket. Feels like two. I'm not sure. Oh, that's cuter. All right, I like that. All right, some writing. I've never liked the way that turns out. I'll end up doing something. And got unstuck right here. Fix that. And the poor doggies want to go outside. That is cute. Just like that. Yep, I'm gonna have to put something like that. Might even rip it up. Okay. I'll have to put something up here. So how are y'all? How is y'all's weather? Is everybody staying warm? Brenda said they're in a deep freeze. Oh, that is cute. I like that. Oh, that's cute. Here. I've got something wrong. I'm going to do it because I can. I got a clog and it's trying to come out. There we go. And put it right there. Just adds a little more interesting to this page because this was one of my painty kind of backdrops when I was doing the pick-a-sticks. that's cute. I need to use that. Oh, that's a side. Okay. Oh, I am trying to fill the pockets that I put in. Yeah, I did that. I like that. Writing. And here's the end. Okay. Well, let's go through her again. Okay. So we have that. I do want to put laces on the edges. Okay, what do we got here? One of these lovelies fit. I do believe so. Okay, where's... Come on. Just make sure there's no... I do like the yellow. Perfect. I like that. Okay. Okay. Cute. A cute little, like that. And writing. I want to do that. I think I want to do that instead. I might put another one over here, not sure. Cute. I don't know if y'all can hear Era snoring. But she is. Let's see, we got, oh, that's cute. And that's what I thought. It was just, it's a flip out baby paper clip. Like the little part in front. Yeah, cute. So we could put that there. There. I like that. That's cute. I wish these would lay flatter. There we go. See, now that's just, that one's good, but this one's too much, I think. I wanted to put that whole thing in here, but it's starting to look kind of tacky to me. Let's see. Definitely, yeah, that's better. And what about you? That would look weird if I did two of them. Yeah. Let's see. Here. Up here's a, that's cute one. I can put right there. Okay, I like that. Love that. I think that's my favorite. And I wanted to leave the nice for writing. Okay, here's that one. Okay. Let's see. Might do something later to like cut these out. Let's see. Blue scissors. There. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna leave that like in there. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's find some more tags. Or journaling cards. Let's see, we've got this. And that one. And how about that one? Cute. And I'll do some stamping up there. Oh, here's that cute bunny rabbit. That's gonna be too small. Make sure. Have enough real estate there. That'll work. And then Target Berlin. Listen to the laughter. And a cute bumblebee. Cute. I like that. We got that. That's a picture I've been holding on for a hot minute. Let's see. Too much. What about you? Yep, I like that. Up that. That's cute. Okay, and the heart, and then that's the cute little bar. It's cute. Okay. Ancient journal. Oh, we need another one here. There we go. Hi. I guess these are just too big. Okay, I like that. They're just too big. I've changed my mind because I can. That's cute. That needs an arrow. One. Fit. I think we already tried that one. That needs some glue. Still liking that, and I'll just trim it off the edge and re-ink it. Oh, what a hot mess. We did work in the pantry. I did get a little bit done in there. There we go. I like that. Okay, we did that. That is cute. Yep, I do like that. Okay, look at that. Cute, I like that. Yeah, I still need to do something here. Okay, so let's go to the back. Here, it's too big to really kind of journal anything. That looks awful cute there, though. Hold on. It's stuck. Yep, lost my pen. Probably threw it away with these scraps. It's probably on the floor. I'm gonna grab another pen. I was doing really good getting in the habit of putting them on my little basket. Well, that didn't help at all. Okay. There's the blob. Okay, well, hopefully we'll be better now. All right. Yeah, so I guess the rest of today I need to be getting it all together about going to work tomorrow. Weekend went quick, but I got much needed rest. Oh, now my eyeball's itching. Hold on. Oh. I'm better. Okay. Go. Put that right in there. And I might just put some strips of, I wanted to use that somewhere. There. I'll do it right there. What, babies? Are y'all mad because y'all can't go outside? What's wrong, Tom Tom? Did Daddy and Uncle Todd not invite you? No, poor Tom Tom. He didn't get to go outside. Oh, my poor Tom Tom. I don't know if y'all can see him. He is seriously trying to make his way up here. Huh? What big boy. What big boy. Want to tell everybody hi? Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you come here? Oh, now I'm getting everybody riled up. Sorry. It's Mom. Yeah, that really goes with the side tuck. I'm thinking. Let's see, what else do we have over here? Okay, not these. I have to do something. I think I might end up cutting them like I did that one. I'm doing that. We have these cute things. Okay. How about that button? Oh, nope. Oh. Oh, that bird. Okay, hold on. That one's just a tad too big. That's too small. All right, what else we got? Oh, that's cute. Oh, excuse me. Lazy days here. Oh no, that would be cute if we backed it. Let's see. Oh, we got iris. That would be cute. Okay, I'm gonna put more. I've got this. And this is that real hard paper. I don't know if I want to really... Oh, we got Santiago. A little mushroom. Okay, I like that. Need that. Okay, all right, here. Let's see, what can we put? I got a lot of small, well, actually, when I pulled my tags out, all those vellum little pieces came falling out. Love that one. That one's so cute. I think I shall. Because that looks really cute right there. Okay. I still like that the way it is. This needs something. I have... if I find it, that's gonna be a miracle. But I do like this too. But let's see if I can find what visioning. Y'all, be quiet. It can't be put that second. Wreaking havoc everywhere. Maybe. So, y'all hush. Okay, I think I will use that. And probably all the neighbors are telling them how crazy they are for going out with it this cold. But Scott and Todd get cabin fever very quickly. They have to be able to go outside. I don't know where my scissors went. Yep, when I get done with this video before my next one, which I might make another one, I will definitely clean my desk. Cause, oh yeah, I like that lot. That looks good. And then that's open, and I got another picture. Okay. Let's see. That could go sideways like that. Let's see. I need a set. That's cute. Pull these out. Those are pretty. Oh, I definitely want to use them. Oh, they're little booklets. Okay, I remember when we made these. How cute. Okay, well, I found the insides. I need to find the outside. What else we got here? Oh, no, that's cute. Well, Pusha. Now I'm stuck. And critters. Okay, I'm going to do something there. Yep, we gotta fix this. What are we going to do here? Okay. I think I shall get some more of that Fuzzy Wuzzy stuff that I used on the other page. What about green? I still got some of that green. Let's try that. Oh. It's ever going. Because I've almost used all this stuff up. Yeah, I like that much better. Okay. Get a drink of my coffee. Oh, yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just try to glue here in the middle. Got the end here. Okay. And then just try to, it's art glitter glue, so it should grab very quickly. Oh, but that looks much better than that pink. I thought I could do it. I should have known, because I've tried it before and it always comes out the same way. You just have to be really careful with ribbon if you're gonna try to hide the binding. Oh, that's much better. Okay. So she right here, she right there. journal there. Put something right there. Like that. I got this cute little thing. That's too good. What about this? I don't know. I'm still on something for right there. Okay, that's cute. Journaling. Okay, I'm seeing a repeating issue. Got it up here and up here. Oh, that's room for cute. Okay. Oh, you're one too, huh? Blah, blah, blah. I had one. What about this? Okay, I like that. We can write. Let's go ahead and ink this up. Okay, and then we'll glue it. And put that right in the middle. Yep, I was having fun decoupaging my napkins. That's cute. I like that. And, oh, where's that side one we have? This one. I've been dying to put everywhere. Okay, that can go here. We could have this one behind it. Okay, I'm down with that, like that. Journal. Love that one. Yep, that's still my favorite. Okay. See, now that worked nicely. I used up all that too. Okay, I do like the mushrooms. That's cute. That's cute. Cute. Okay. All right. More journaling. Yeah, I think that's cute. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna put one of those and one of these. I like that. Yeah, I like it a lot. Okay. All right. I think she is, just for final touches, I think she is cute. And she's gator mouth. We knew that was going to happen. But, oh, just holding her, she feels so good. All right, y'all. Well, thank y'all for coming along and crafting with me while I made this pretty bird journal for my new friend. And, yeah, I'm going to do the, what did I say? Lace on the edge. Couldn't think of the word. Lace on the edge and little frillies here and there. And then on the next video, I will do a final flip through and we will move on to our next destashing project. All right? All right, lovelies. I hope wherever y'all are safe and warm. If y'all don't need to go outside, just don't do it. It's just not even worth it. The risk is too great. No, just don't do it. Stay in. All right, lovelies. I will see you on the next video. Bye.